Alright, hello, it is me again. I'm here. Got about an hour until I gotta go to work, so I might as well do some work to this. I've got some Dremel options here. Probably gonna use that on my drill or the Dremel, whatever works. We're gonna try and take out this ridge and maybe some of this nonsense over here. So yeah, I'll do a bunch of editing, maybe. See where we are in a couple minutes. Alright, we are back after that time lapse, hyper lapse, whatever the heck they called it. Uh, I've taken off a good bit of it. I'm gonna have to sand it down. Uh, Probably take off a little bit more with that little wheel. Still haven't decided what I'm gonna do here yet, so I'm just gonna not touch that until I get that out of the block and see how well it matches up in here. Alright, with these screws removed, we have released it from the block. So we can say good riddance and goodbye. It is time for higher heights and faster speeds, because you're going in here next. So we're gonna measure, we're gonna do some test fitting. Actually, I might as well show you guys. I'm sure you're dying to know how well it's gonna fit. Or how not well. What the heck? It's huge. So yeah, I may have to get a piece of metal and use it as a skid plate so that I can cut out some space for the flywheel. That just looks crazy though. Let's see here for a sec. Just imagine it's got wheels in the front. Dude, that's crazy. That's gonna look sick. So yeah, we got not a lot of room. We're gonna have to fit batteries. This. Oh right. This. Steering linkages. Where did it go? Oh, I'll find it later. Anyway, I have to fit in a receiver in here too. So let's see if I can get a battery out. Got some batteries in here. That's my little charging station. So we're gonna have to fit like 2 of these in here, unless I can find one that's a little bit bigger than this, but smaller than 2 combined. I don't want to spend money though, so we're gonna go with 2, unless I can get it to start on this one, since it's the beefier battery. But yeah, we're gonna have to slam this right on over here-ish. So we have some room for the servo and steering linkages and yada yada. Then we're gonna have to shove this in here. Come on now. I've been thinking I really do need the space, so either I'm gonna make a mount for that, the gas tank, right around here somewhere, or I'm gonna cut up the back, push the battery back, cut all of this out, and make my own little box for the gas tank. And probably electronics. I don't know. I don't have a lot of space to work with, but this is the price you pay when you go into the unknown. Alright, anyway, YouTube, keep an eye out for the next update. Probably be about Wednesday. I don't know. It depends on how I feel. See ya.